Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to delete a file or folder that won't delete on Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the file or folder that is not deleting and select properties, select security tab and select advanced option, select change, select advanced option, select find now. In this list you need to find everyone. After finding everyone, you just need to select OK and everyone will be listed over here. Click on OK again. Select this check mark replace owner on sub containers and objects and select apply and OK. OK. OK again. Now you need to select edit and select add. In here type everyone. Select check names. Select OK. Now the everyone has been added in this list. Now you need to check mark full control and select apply and OK for save changes. Select OK. Now you can delete the file, and I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.